Alright fellas, deal alert here. NapaOnline.com. You can always enter here in the search thing for Carlyle wrenches. I'm going to show you what all I got though in my shopping cart here, because it's just easier. And the picture quality is probably going to suck on this video, which is why I'm going to keep it real short, real sweet. You know, I try to use that Screencastify and a couple others of those screen recording things, and I just can't get it. So we're gonna do it the old school. We're recording the screen with a different recording device. It's just gonna have to work. But anyway, right here, this is the SAE set. Regularly $140. Right now, $75. These are the same set that MD Lee was talking about, Capri had. I'm guessing his are Infar. Everybody knows the Carlyle stuff's made by Infar. I'm guessing those Capri tools are made by Infar as well. The Capri tools, not sure about their warranty, not sure about their distribution across the US. I know you can get them on Amazon pretty cheap. I'll probably have links in the description to all their stuff that corresponds to these guys as well. But yeah, they even have the reverse ratcheting wrench set, you know, $89 off for $100. So reverse ratcheting Carlyle wrenches. There's a 12-piece reverse ratcheting Carlyle wrench set, metric, for $120. They also have the flat metric Carlyle set for $100. Now, notice here, these are 6-point, but you also notice they have the traction grooves on them. So, is it the same wrench? Not exactly. Pretty damn close though. These are 90 tooth. They aren't the... There you can see a little bit of the traction groove stuff. Better in that picture. These are 90 tooth. They're not 100 tooth. But one of the things you get that's better, I believe, when you buy the Napa Carlyle set, is Napas are everywhere, so your warranty should not be that difficult to get warranted anywhere. I mean, there's Napa everywhere. Even small towns have Napas, so your warranty shouldn't be that big a deal. You know, they might be a day or two out, ship them from a hub to your location. Just a little quick reaction tool deal alert to MD Lee's find. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, love, hate, hardknocksforge, gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, because they never fit.